Hi, I'm Jill from Making Money with Jill. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to answer a few questions about affiliate marketing. So the first question is, what is affiliate marketing? Well, affiliate marketing, simply put, is just referring a customer to a company's website to purchase a product that they're looking for. So it sounds simple, but there's a lot more that goes on behind the scenes than that. So how does the world of affiliate marketing work? Well, when you attract a customer from a social media account and refer them by a specialized link called a hop link to a company to purchase a product, based on that link, the company knows who referred them. And so that company pays the commission to the affiliate when the customer purchases the product. The big part of this is what happens before the customer purchases. 80% of customers do not purchase a product the first time they click on it. So part of the affiliate marketer's job is to remind the customer about that product, and we usually do that through email. So before a customer clicks on a link, we ask them for their name and their email, and we put their email on an email list so that we can follow up with them, usually the next day and a couple days following, to remind them about the product that they clicked on. In addition to that email, there's another link that connects them to the same company to purchase that product. So how does it work? Well, we need a couple of pieces of software to get this all to work in the background. We need a sales funnel and an autoresponder, and you also will need a domain and preferably a professional email. So when a customer clicks on an ad from their social media, a window pops up and they're asked for their name and their email address. This is actually a sales funnel. So once they enter their email address, then they're delivered to the website that they were interested in. And now that I say that, you probably are remembering back to the number of times that you've been in a sales funnel. So how the sales funnel works is when they enter the email address, the sales funnel is programmed to put their email address and name into the autoresponder list. The autoresponder automatically emails the customer on a schedule that you've set up to remind them about the products that they were looking at. Why do we do this? We do it because 80% of the people do not purchase a product the first time they look at it. They need a reminder. In that email that you send them, you also send them the link back to the product that they were interested in the first place. So when you're first starting out, you can get away with using some of these things that are pretty inexpensive. I did not choose to go with the cheapest funnel because I didn't want to end up in that funnel. For the sales funnel, there are a couple of different options. The one that I use is ClickFunnels. It's probably the most expensive at about $97 a month. There are others out there that are free up to a certain number of subscribers. The autoresponder, you can also get one of those that is free. The one that I use is Aweber, and it is free up to a certain number of subscribers or more than one list. Once you need a second list, you need to start paying the monthly subscription. Professional email, that one's also dependent on where you get it from. I personally get mine through Zoho. And then of course you have the domain, which is relatively inexpensive. That's usually $30 or less. I get mine through Namecheap. So how much do you make? Well, this is a tough question because it's going to be different for everybody. You may not make a commission for a couple of months. You may make one right off the bat. It's all such an individual experience. You can't really answer that. And of course, this business also has to do with how much effort you put into it. This is not a business that is up and running and you're making money overnight. It is a business that you're going to work at. It's a lot of work in the beginning, getting everything set up, and a lot of effort is put into it. Okay, so here's another question. I don't have an audience. How do I do this without one? Well, the answer to that is you don't really need one because you'll develop your audience. And that's really an important piece of the products and the niche that you decide to represent. When you pick your niche, you're going to be picking something that you're passionate about, something that you can talk about all the time, because you're going to be putting out a lot of content on your social medias to promote those products. And the reason you do that is so that your audience is targeted to the products that you decide to promote. So actually starting with no audience is almost better because then you have an audience that is focused on the products that you're promoting. So how do you get an audience? This piece takes work, not going to lie. Creating an audience is about being consistent. It's about showing up every day and having all your content pointed towards the audience that you're trying to attract that supports the niche of the products that you're promoting. There are two different ways to get traffic. There's paid and organic. Organic just means that it's for free. I personally do not do any paid advertising. I get all of my traffic organically. There's a couple different ways that you can attract an audience, and this is pretty much the only way that I'm going to talk about today. It is organically through social media. There's a number of social media outlets that you can use to promote products to gain an audience. The easiest of those social medias to do that on these days is TikTok. There's other social media outlets that you're going to want to take a look at too, because you don't want to have all your eggs in one basket. So there is Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube. The list goes on, really. But about the social media, one of the biggest questions I get is, do I have to show my face? And I get that. I was not very comfortable with it in the beginning either, but let me give you a reason why you might want to do it. People like to buy things from people that they know, like, and trust. And when they see your face, that rapport is established a little bit easier. So what am I promoting and how do I find it? Well, there's a couple of different ways. There are boards that you can go to, like JVZoo and Share a Sale, ClickBank. They all have lists of affiliate programs that are available that you can apply for. You can also go and look them up on different company websites, like Amazon has one, Target, Walmart. Now these are usually smaller commissions, which as a side product is spectacular. We generally suggest going for high ticket items. It's a lot easier to sell a few high ticket items than it is to sell a lot of low commission items. So how do I get started? Well, you can go through YouTube and try to put this together yourself. It's not the easiest way to do it, and it'll probably take you a bit of time to do that. Or you can do what I did and I took a course through Legendary Marketer. It was a 15-day business builder challenge. The information that they give you is just spectacular. Really, for $7, you can't beat it. They give you all the bits and pieces that you need, kind of gives you the backbone of your business. And if that's all you do, that'll at least get you moving a little bit quicker than trying to find everything on YouTube. They also offer a course called The Blueprints, which is exactly what it sounds like. It is the exact blueprints. This is definitely the fast track. I have included all the links below for any of the programs that I've talked about above, and a few others. If you choose to click on any of those links, full disclosure, they are affiliate links and I may make a commission from them. If you have any questions or there's something in this video that I didn't address for you, please feel free to leave a comment below and I'm happy to answer them. And again, if you have liked this video and the content that was here, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notifications so you'll be aware when something new is dropped, and like this video. Thank you.